going on YouTube? Today's video, we got an OBS Ford. Starting issues. Truck is in neutral. Clutch mashed in. We got nothing. So I think it's a battery. Let's go check. Leave the truck in neutral. Leave the key on. Pop the hood. It's already popped. Come out here to this relay. Jump it with anything metal, screwdriver. The truck fires right up. So from there, we know it's not the battery, it's not the starter. So here's the next thing to check. Look underneath where your gas pedal, brake, and clutch is. There is a little switch right here. And mine is already unplugged because I've already diagnosed this issue. But if you look at these two red wires, red and blue, if you'll get a piece of wire and jump them. Now that we got the two red and blue wires jumped, just with a little cut piece of wire stripped on both ends. We can come up here, standard procedure. Now technically you don't have to match the clutch in because those wires are now jumped. But clutch in, truck is in neutral, and the truck fires right up. So from here, you know it has nothing to do with your wiring harness, your key, ignition, nothing like that. You know it's not your battery, it's not your starter, it's not your little relay over here. So you know the issue is in that little clutch switch. This is just a troubleshooting video. I do not recommend leaving the switch jumped just because of safety reasons. If you was to leave the truck in gear and accidentally turn the key, the truck would roll. This is just a little helpful video. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Appreciate you watching.